Senior German industry business people visited the Maisong Group Intelligent Industrial Park. This inspection, which came from afar, is a recognition of Maisong's comprehensive strength. Entering the prototype exhibition hall, Maisong leads guests to carefully observe Maisong's self-developed products, covering embedded, heat transfer printers, various special equipment, and customized solutions. Both parties have reached a deep resonance in the research and development concept of precision polishing and strict process control. In the sheet metal workshop, precise cutting, bending, and welding are strictly inspected. The visitors closely check the welding accuracy, affirming that details guarantee quality. Maisong's strict process control impressed the professional guests. Maisong showcased a variety of new R&D equipment that meets the needs of various industries. For visiting merchants, including mature standardized printing equipment, as well as customized industry solutions such as large traffic sign printers and high-performance UV printers. The series of models have completed comprehensive upgrades for various complex working conditions, achieving breakthroughs in printing accuracy, multi-material adaptability, and intelligent automation operating systems, greatly improving equipment operating efficiency and stability. Customers carefully inspect the equipment structure, observe the actual printing effect of special materials on site, and have in-depth exchanges on technical principles, diversified application scenarios, and mass production planning. The operator from Maisong demonstrated a complete file office printing process to the customer. Each link is closely connected and orderly. The precision of paper feeding, ink adhesion, output speed, and clarity all reflect Maisong's strict control over details. It also strongly confirms the technological heritage accumulated by Maisong in the field of office printing after years of deep cultivation. And this rigorous and mature processing system is also extended to printing scenarios in fields such as healthcare, finance, electricity, transportation, etc. Consistently accurate, stable, and reliable, Maisong always believes that pushing every seemingly simple step to the extreme is the most powerful persuasion. Deep trust has been forged through this visit. Following the thorough on-site inspection, both sides signed a cooperation agreement and agreed on in-depth strategic partnership, built on mutual respect and professional recognition. This cross-border cooperation has officially kicked off.